Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can do the collage, free collage style and multiple collage style. You have to install the one application, that is Collage, by which you can collage your photos in many styles. I will give the link of this app in the description, by which the description you can download the app. So we have to come on the screen. Here is a collage, simple collage. By this you can take the pictures. 20 pictures you can take at the one time. But I am not taking 20 pictures. You can do it. You can change the bordering. You can do that multiple things easily. Text, multiple things you can do, layout. You can do the framing. Okay guys, discard. And as well as, if you are not feeling good, freestyle you can do. Freely you can put the pictures. Just you have to select the pictures. Here you can take the 20 pictures. Freely you can select. Freely you can put here wherever you want. Framing and many things you can do by here. Editor, photo play. If you want to play your photo, so you can play your photo. So guys, here the multiple things are here, you can do easily. Still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so go like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting new updates. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.